In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to an email on Gmail on your iPhone. So it's very easy to do to reply back to someone who has sent you an email. So what we can do is go ahead and find your Gmail app, and mine's over here at the far left. And I'm going to pick an email that I sent to myself from another email, but it doesn't matter. It can be an unopened email, anything you really want. So what you're going to want to do is as soon as you click on the actual email itself, you'll get some stuff here. You'll get the sender, you'll get the email, and then at the very bottom, you'll find the reply button here. And all you have to really do is click reply, and it's going to end up making a draft for you to just automatically reply back to an email. And I'm just going to type in, yes, I understand this is a test. And to send it, you're going to go ahead and look at the top right corner here. And that little arrow triangle thing, you just want to go ahead and click that. And your message is sent. And you can go ahead and check that if you really want to. At the three bars at the top left here, we can check sent. And you see that it was sent here. So it's real easy to do, real easy and simple to reply back to an email or your Gmail on your iPhone. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.